Hello students, today we are going to explore how batteries work by doing a hands-on experiment. We will build our own batteries using everyday items and investigate whether we can power an LED light. So for this materials required is an anode. I have used an iron rod as an anode. This iron rod I have used as anode. For a cathode, I have used a silver metal. It's an anglet made of silver I have used. A ceramic bowl, lemon juice, Himalayan salt, wires with alligator clips like this, multimeter to measure the voltage, and LED light to test the volt. Firstly, I will tell how to prepare this electrolyte solution. This electrolyte solution is prepared by using 4 lemon juice, medium size lemon juice. 4 lemon juice I have squeezed, and I have added 2 tablespoons of salt in it, and I have used this vinegar, which is a acetic acid water with spices. This vinegar I have used. This is a 250 ml jar. I have filled with vinegar. 4 lemons juices, 2 tablespoons salt, and remaining I filled with the vinegar to make it more acidic. Now this solution I have poured it in a bowl. Now I have placed this iron rod. This iron rod is placed, and connect one wire of the iron rod to the nail to increase the connectivity, and connect other wire of the silver anglet. This is our cathode. Another wire we are connecting to the cathode. One that is negative to the iron rod and positive to the silver metal I have connected. Then the other end, this is the one end. The other end I am connecting it to the multimeter to measure the voltage, how much it is producing. So this negative to negative, from the connection from the iron rod connect with the multimeter negative, and connection from the silver metal connect to the red. Now let's see how much voltage it produced. We are getting 0.15 volt. In this demonstration we measured about 0.15 volt. To glow the LED, we need at least 1.6 volt. So I'm not connecting it to the LED light, but to increase voltage, you should repeat this setup, keep more bowls and repeat the setup. Connect each like a chain, you connect each of the bowls, you connect like a chain using a copper wire. Then you measure the voltage. If it is beyond 1.6 volt, you can connect it to the LED light and it will glow. A battery works by moving electrons from anode. This is the anode, iron rod, to the cathode, a silver or other metal. The electrons are moving from anode to the cathode, negative to positive. The chemical difference between the metals is what creates the electric potential or edge. Voltage adds up if you connect multiple cells. This is one cell. If you add multiple cells, we can increase the voltage. So students, when you do the experiment, never use any dangerous chemicals at home. Only food safe liquids like lemon juice or vinegar you use. Always ask for adult supervision. Wash the hands after handling metals and liquids. Industry batteries, how it works is, commercial batteries uses special metals and chemicals to achieve higher voltage. They connect several cells together in series to add up the voltage. Is it safe to use silver ornaments? Little time doesn't matter, but if you do it repeatedly, there is a possibility of corrosion. So not to use your ornaments. You can use any other copper, zinc, aluminum, but aluminum is very low conductor. Find out a copper rod from your neighboring store and do this experiment. You try it with the other materials, both for cathode and the anode, different rods, two different metals. You try and try to increase the brightness of the LED. Thank you.